Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to on today's recipe. I'm going to show you how to make soul food style beef roast. It's going to be so tender, juicy, delicious, and it's going to be smothered in gravy. All right, you ready? Let's go cook some beef roast magic in my southern kitchen. All right, over here I have 2 to 3 pounds of beef chuck roast in that beautiful piece of meat. And over here I have 2 cloves of garlic that I minced and some salt. Gonna poke some holes all over and we're gonna stuff it with the salt and the garlic. All right, my friends, I got all the garlic and all the salt in. And then we're gonna rub the other side with seasoning salt. Give it a nice massage. Mr. Rose loves this massage, don't you? All right, my friends, I got my roast into an oven bag and I added half an onion on top of the roast and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. So next we're going to add in 1 cup of water. And what the water does, it'll help create a gravy while it cooks. And now we're going to tie our roast up. All right, my friends, I tied up my roast and I cut 6 slits so that way all the steam will come out. We're going to put it in the preheated 325-degree oven and we're going to let it bake for 3 hours. All right, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. All right, my friends, there you have it. Soul food style beef roast, and it smells heavenly in this kitchen. Look at that nice gravy and look at the onions. And if you want, you can add potatoes or carrots, make it like a pot roast, but I'm just keeping it simple. All right, so now I'm gonna let the roast cool for a few minutes and then I'm gonna fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. I'll be back. All right, my friends, I'm about to dig in. I'm serving it with some rice and gravy and some cabbage and cornbread. Doesn't that look amazing? All right, here we go. Ooh, look how nice and tender that is. Look at that gravy. Lord have mercy. All right, here we go. It melts in your mouth. And this would be great for any night of the week. I love me some beef roast. Beef roast-licious. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.